Hi YouTube, Jordan here with a quick video before my goddamn phone shuts off because of lack of storage. I just took the crankshaft out of the 390 for the 76 F250 project, and I also took out all the rods and pistons. I will be reusing those with new bearings. I'm going to have the crankshaft polished because it's kind of dingy. Nothing I can tell immediately is really damaged. Also, these are extremely fucking sharp. So, be wary of those. He's probably covering the fucking microphone the whole damn time, but I'm not recording. Again. Ooh. Hole. Anyway, just took the crank out, took the rods out, no drama, besides I almost cut my fucking thumb off. And I just wanted to point out real quick that instead of actually drilling the oil holes in a proper location, they just made the oil hole in the bearing fucking massive. That is a giant oil hole in the bearing. Normally they're about half that size, at least the ones in the GM engines I built. And as you can see, number 2, goddamn wind, number 2 and number 1 bearings are more than half covered. I will be taking a cone-shaped carbide bit and carving this out a little bit, so it's got like a little, like, not completely drilling it out, but just so it's got like a little ramp up, just carving out this little bit right here, so there's a little bit more oil getting to that bearing, because as you can tell, that this is the most worn of the main bearings. That one is stuck to the crank, but this is pretty good. This is the thrust bearing. This is always worn a little bit more than the other ones. This one is fine, and then this one is just clearly aggressively worn. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now. I'm going to go the fuck to bed, drop the crank off at the machine shop later, and I'll be back with more updates when there are some.